Hello friends, welcome to C programming tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about constants in C language. So now in previous class we discussed about data types and variables. Now see this example, int a equals to 5. In this example the int is the data type, a is the variable, and what about 5? What is a 5? So 5 is the constant. 5 is the constant. And similarly, float b equals to 1.56. In this, 1.56 is a constant. Char c equals to capital A. In this, a is a constant. So if you observe that, so these are the data types and these are the variable names. So these are the values. So these values we are called as a constants. So what is a constant? So constants are data values that cannot be changed during the execution of a program. So like variables, constants have a type. So this is the constant 5. The 5 is which type? Integer type. So this is the constant 1.56. Which data type? Float. So a is a constant. Which data type? Char data type. That means, so what is a constant means? The constant is a value that cannot be changed during the execution of a program. That means these data values cannot be changed in the execution of a program. Now we see, so constant representation. So how we can represent so constants in the C language? There are different types of constants. One is Boolean constants. So Boolean is a data type. So Boolean means two values, true or false. Character constants. All the character set we are called as a character constants. Integer constants. The whole number representation we are called as a integer constant. Real constant. If the number have the fraction part, that constants we are called as a real constant. So complex constants have two parts, real part and imaginary part. String constants, the group of characters we are called as a string constant. Now everyone try to identify the type of the constant. For example, 5. So 5 is a integer constant. 1.23. So fraction part, real constant. C. This is a single character, so character constant. For example, 0. If the data type is bool, then it is a Boolean constant. And in double quotation, if I give CRR, then it is a string constant. If I give 2 plus 3j, the imaginary and real part, so it is a complex constant. Okay, by seeing this, you can identify the type of the constant. So now first we see Boolean constant. A Boolean data type can take only two values. What are the two values? So Boolean is nothing but true or false. Those are 0 and 1. So for example, I declare like this, bool a equals to 0. So what it means? The a is a bool type and the value is false. 0 means false. If I assign 1, it returns the true is assigned to the variable a. Okay. Next, character constants. So character constants are enclosed between two single quotations. Two single quotes. What it means? For example, I want to assign c to a variable b. So how I can assign? You can write the constant c in single quotation and assign to b. I can write like this, char b equals to single quotation c. Okay, how I can assign this character to the variable b? By using the single quotation. And in some cases, we are going to use backslash also. So what is a character constant? So character constants are enclosed between two single quotes and use a backslash before character. So that means, sometimes you are going to use these backslash. So this we are called as a escape character. So what is the escape character? the escape character, for example, there is escape character /n. So what it means, if I give n in single quotation, then n is assigned to a variable. But what is the meaning of the /n? /n means after slash there is a character. For this character there is a special meaning. So /n means it has some special meaning. Okay. So /a, if I write /a, so /a means that indicates alarm or beep. /b means backspace. /n means new line. /t means tab, horizontal tab. /v means vertical tab. // means backslash. / single quotation means it represents the single quote. / double quotation means it represents double quote. What it means? For example, I write like this: printf hi. Printf hi. So what is the output? The output is hi. Hi is print on monitor. Ignore about the printf. What is the definition of the printf? In next class we are going to discuss about the printf. In this class, this statement is used to print the message on monitor. So printf, I am going to print hi on monitor. Now if I write like this: printf h/n ai. So what it means? It prints h. So after that /n. /n means some special meaning. What is the special meaning? It's a new line. That means goes to new line and then print ai. If I give /a instead of n /a, it prints h. After that alarm, that means some beep sound. After that it prints ai. If you are using /b, what is the /b? Backspace. Backspace is nothing but it prints h. After that backspace means h is deleted and it prints ai. And similarly /t, instead of this, if I am using the /t, it prints h. After that tab space, it prints ai. So similarly vertical tab, it prints h, and vertical tab and it prints ai. And in some cases you are going to print backslash. Then you are going to write backslash. So next, single quote. For example, I want to print hi like this. Single quotation. How I can write? Printf. In this I am going to write hi. So what is the output? Hi. But I want hi in single quotation. So I can write backslash single quotation. Backslash single quotation. Now it prints single quotation h a i single quotation. And similarly for double quotation also, slash double quote, then it prints double quotation h a i double quotation. So now we see integer constants. Integer constants is nothing but the whole numbers. The default form of integer constants is int. So for example, so plus 126. So plus 126 means it is a default int. So minus 568 is int. And we have some symbols. We are going to use some symbols here. If I use capital U or small u, then it is unsigned integer. What it means? For example, 126. By default it is a integer. If I use 126 small u or capital U, then it is unsigned integer. So I hope you all know what is the signed and unsigned integer. Signed integer means the integer have sign, so plus or minus. Unsigned means only positive numbers. And similarly, so L or capital L, these two represents long. So that means so minus 52165 L, what it means? It is a long integer. So 75648 LU, what is the LU? U means unsigned, L means long. So it is unsigned long integer. Similarly 2387984 LL. So LL means long integer. So U means unsigned, L means long. That's it. Next one, so real constant. That means the constant have fraction, but those numbers we are called as a real constants. The default form of real constants is double. For integer constant, the default is int. Similarly, for real numbers, the default constant is double. So 5.34. So this is the double. So minus 1.32 f. then it is float. That means F or capital F, these two specifies float. So minus 1.32 F means it is a float data type. So 3.141592656 L. So L means long. So it is long double. So next one is complex constant. So the complex constant is nothing but it have two parts. So real and imaginary. So that means so 22.3 plus 12.5. That means so this is the real part, this is the imaginary part. So how we can represent the complex numbers means 22.3 plus 12.5 asterisk I. So asterisk I. Then so this is the complex number. Now the default form of complex constant is double. This is the double constant. And similarly it is a F. What is a F? F means float. Now so this is a float complex. If I use L here, then it is a long complex. So next one is string constants. So character constants, how we can represent? In single quotation. And similarly the string constants are representing with double quotation. A string constant is a sequence of 0 or more characters enclosed in, so those are enclosed in double quotation. Double quotations. So example, so double quotation, hello world, so slash n. So what it means? It prints hello world. So it's a group of characters, and slash n, it's a escape character. Slash n means new line. Now you can identify that 8.32. So what is the data type? Double. 568. It is a integer constant. Single quotation Z. It is a character constant. High. It is a string constant. If I give double quotation open close, then it is which type of constant? It is also a string constant. If I give 2 plus 3 into I, it is a complex constant.